In this video, I'll show you exactly how to scan your book or exam papers, convert them into a PDF, and then save them offline on your smartphone for easy access anytime. If you'd rather store your PDFs online, check out our previous video on saving books to Google Drive. The link to the video is in the description below. Let's get started. The only tool that you need is Google File Manager by Google LLC, okay? The link to the app is in the description below. Make sure that you have updated your app or you have installed the latest application. Now you need to open it. And then it will take you to this page. I need you to click on the scan. You can see the small icon on the bottom of my screen called scan. You need to click on it. And then put the settings in auto capture so that instead of you auto or actually manually capturing the images. Now, after the first page has been captured, you need to click on the plus icon with a page on it. Plus. Then I need to go to the second page. This is the second page. You need to hold steady this your phone or your camera. And then I can add another page. The third page, this is the forward. You need to put it in so that the AI in this files app can capture the page correctly. Okay, you have to be steady as we are doing this. Let's say you are done. You need to click the next button. And then it will save as a PDF. If I go to my documents, this is a scanned book in form of a PDF. And this, most of the time, will be similar to what a scanner machine could have done. This will save you time and make you resourceful and productive. And definitely you know what that means. It will save your time and it will save your money, and you can do this anywhere and anytime that you want. Be productive and make sure that you follow us.